Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. I am Pinky. Welcome you all to the RKP online classes. Students, today we are going to start our next chapter. Chapter number 7, percentage. Now students, let us start our chapter. First of all, let us see what is the meaning of percent. Per means every and cent means 100. So the word percent means per 100. Per 100 or for every 100. Okay. Per means every and cent means 100. So percent means per 100 or for every 100. And it is denoted by this symbol. This is the symbol of percentage. Now students, let us take one example to understand it. Suppose you have a chocolate and you want to eat 1/4 part of this chocolate. Suppose this is a chocolate and you want to eat only 1/4 part of this chocolate. So beta, I divide it into 4 equal parts. Okay, and you want to eat only 1/4 part, means you have to eat only this part. Okay, so what is the fraction for this part beta? 1/4 will be the fraction for this, because here we have total 4 parts and you are eating only one part. You want to eat only one part. So 1 out of 4 is equal to 1/4. Now beta, if you want to write percentage for this fraction, so how can we write percentage for this fraction? You know, percent means for every 100. So to write percentage for this, we need to convert this. We need to divide this chocolate into 100 equal parts. Now let us divide this chocolate into 100 equal parts. Now beta, I have divided into 100 equal parts. So here you can see you are eating only this part. Okay, so if total 100 parts are there in this, then you are eating this portion. Okay, you will eat only this portion, means you will eat 25 parts out of 100. Okay, 25 out of 100. Okay, so 25 by 100 means 25%. 25%. But why beta? Because a fraction with the denominator 100 can be expressed as a percentage by just putting the percentage symbol along with the numerator. So here we have a fraction which has 100 as a denominator, and here 25 is numerator. So how can we write 25 and इसके साथ हमें क्या पुट करना बेटा? साइन ऑफ symbol of percentage. So 25 by 100 means 25%. Okay, so it means you will eat 25% parts of this chocolate. Now students, let us take one more example. Here I have figure and it is divided into 100 equal parts. And here beta we can see that 30 parts are blue and 10 parts are red. So what is the fraction for blue parts? 30 out of 100 parts. Okay, so we can say 30 out of 100 parts are blue, or 30%. We can write 30%. Okay, 30% parts are blue. Okay, and now if we write the fraction for red parts, then what is the fraction? 10 out of 100 parts are blue. 10 out of 100 parts are red, or we can write 10% parts are red. Students, here we can see that if any fraction has 100 as a denominator, then we can convert very easily into percentage. Okay, only by just putting percentage symbol along with numerator. Okay, if we have 15 by 100, then we can convert it into percentage very easily, because here beta 100 as a denominator and here 15 as a numerator. So we have to put only symbol of percentage with numerator. So 15 by 100 is equal to 15%. And if we have 26 by 100, then it will be 26%. If we have 14 by 100, means 14 out of 100, then 14 by 100 is equal to 14%. Okay. Now students, let us see that if a fraction has a denominator other than 100, then how can we convert that fraction into percentage? Beta, for like this fraction, we have two methods. Okay, let us see first method. Convert the fraction to an equivalent fraction with the denominator 100. क्या करना है हमें? We need to convert that fraction to an equivalent fraction. Okay, with the denominator 100. Then put the symbol of percentage. So first of all, let us take one example to understand it. Okay, here I have written 7 by 20. So how can we convert this fraction into percentage? So according to this method beta, we need to write equivalent fraction of this fraction with denominator 100. Okay, here we have 20 as a denominator. So how can we write 100? If we multiply 20 with 5, then we get 100. And you know beta, if we multiply denominator with 5, then we need to multiply numerator also with 5 to get an equivalent fraction. So here if we multiply 7 with 5, then we get 35, and here we will get 100. So here we have 35 by 100. So now we can convert this fraction very easily into percentage. Okay, so 35% will be answer. Okay, now let us see second method. What is the second method? Multiply the fraction by 100. Multiply the fraction by 100 and reduce the product to its lowest term. Then put the symbol of percentage. Okay, इसमें क्या करना बेटा हमें? First of all, we have to multiply the fraction by 100 and then reduce the product to its lowest term. Okay. So now again let us take the same example. Okay. Here I have written 7 by 20. So in this method we need to multiply this fraction with 100. Okay. Now beta, here we have 100 and here we have 20 as a denominator. और उसके बाद हमें क्या करना था? Reduce the product to its lowest term. So here we can see that we can cancel numerator and denominator. Okay. Here we have two zeros and here we have one zero. So we can cut this zero, this last zero to this last zero also. Okay. Now here we have 10 and here we have 2. So now also we can cancel 2 1 jar 2 and 2 5 jar 10. So now we have 7 multiply with 5. Okay. Here we have 7 and here we have 5 and both are numerator. So here we have to multiply 7 with 5. 7 5 jar 35 and as a denominator we have only 1. So here if we write 35 by 1 then also we will get 35. And beta now we have to put symbol of percentage along with this answer. Okay. So by this method also we will get the same answer. Okay. अगर हम इस मेथड से करते हैं तब भी वही आंसर है और अगर हम सेकंड मेथड से करते हैं तब भी हमारा आंसर सेम है. So we can use any method. Now students, let us take one more example. Here I have written 1 and 3 by 4. Okay, and we have to convert this fraction into percentage. And here beta we have a mixed fraction. So what we will do? First of all we need to convert this into improper fraction. So how can we convert this into improper fraction? We know very well. Okay, we have to multiply 1 with 4. 1 4 jar 4 and then add this numerator, means 1 4 jar 4 and plus 3 7. We get 7 by 4. Okay. So now beta, according to first rule, we need to write equivalent fraction of this fraction. Okay, with denominator 100. Okay. So here we have 4 as a denominator. So by which number we have to multiply? We need to multiply so that we will get 100 as a denominator. If we multiply 25 with 25, if we multiply this 4 with 25, then we will get 100 because we know 25 4 jar 100. Okay. But beta, if we multiply denominator with 25, then we need to multiply numerator also with 25 to get an equivalent fraction. So now if we multiply 7 with 25, we get 175. And if we multiply 4 with 25, we get 100. Now we have a fraction with denominator 100. Okay. So now we can convert this fraction into percentage very easily. Okay. Now we have to write only numerator and put the sign of percentage. Okay. So now 175% is the answer. Now let us take same example. Okay. But now we will do this by second method. Okay. 1 and 3 by 4. So first of all here also first of all we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So we get 7 by 4. But now beta, according to second method, first of all what we will do? Now we have to multiply this with 100. Okay. Now we can multiply 7 with 100. Okay. And if we multiply 7 with 100, we get 700. And as a denominator we have 4. Okay. Now it means we have to divide 700 by 4, if we divide 700 by 4, we get 175. यहाँ बेटा मैंने क्या किया है, मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया डायरेक्टली मैंने और उसको 4 से डिवाइड कर दिया है. बट हियर विदाउट मल्टीप्लाइंग, मल्टीप्लाई के बिना हम उससे पहले हम क्या कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे we can cancel also this 100 and this 4. Okay, so let us see how can we cancel this. Now beta, here we have 100 and here we have 4. So we know that we can divide 104 by 2 and by 4 also, because both are divisible by 2 and by 4 also. So we can cut 104 directly by 4 also. Okay, because both are divisible by 4. 4 1 jar 4 and here 4 2 jar and 4 5 jar. Means if we divide 100 by 4, then we get 25 as a quotient. Okay. सो अब हमने क्या किया बेटा, मल्टीप्लाई नहीं किया हमने 7 और 100 की. ओके, उससे पहले हमने क्या कर दिया, इसको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट. ठीक है. सो हियर इफ वी डिवाइड 100 by 4, we get 25. Now we have 7 and 25 as a numerator and 1 as a denominator. So now we have to multiply 7 with 25, and we know if we multiply 7 with 25, we get 75, and as a denominator we have only 1. So if we divide 175 by 1, we get the same number, we get 175. But beta, here now we have to write, we have to put percentage symbol also, okay, with this answer. So 175% is the answer. In this way we can convert a fraction into percentage.